Toenail fungus cures and treatments. In excess of 11% of the occupants of North America experience the ill effects of contagious contamination of the toenail. A few pieces of the world have a much higher disease rate. Each contaminated individual is frantically scanning for a toenail parasite fix. Nail organism is an issue that can spread from head to head and individual to individual whenever left untreated. Regardless of what part of the world you live in, no one needs to have ugly, distorted, and stained toenails. The results of an organism of the toenail that isn't controlled or relieved are far more terrible than the unattractive appearance of the issue. Each parasitic contamination is little in any case, however, it can possibly cause you incredible trouble later on. Make a move currently to discover a parasite toenail fix. Existing toenail fungus cures. There are incalculable toenail fixes on the planet today. You should be quiet when scanning for one that will work for you. One fix can do some amazing things for one understanding and not work at all for another. When choosing a treatment plan, you can pick a solution toenail parasite fix that your primary care physician can give, or you can attempt all characteristic home cures. Should you pick the latter, consistently try different things with these sorts of medicines while under your PCP's supervision. Research has demonstrated that the basic family unit herb, oregano, has numerous antifungal and antibacterial properties. Therefore, numerous individuals accept that medications utilizing this fixing give you a high possibility for progress. One cure that fuses oregano requires a blend of 2 drops of oregano basic oil with 1 teaspoon of olive oil. On the off chance that you coat the tainted territory regularly for 3 weeks, you should start to get results. Another great toenail organism fix being used is the apple cider fix. To play out this treatment, you should fill an enormous bowl with 1 section apple juice vinegar and 1 section warm water. Absorb the contaminated foot the answer for 15 or 20 minutes. After you have wrapped up the foot, dry it totally. Since organisms love dampness, it is basic that your foot is 100% dry after the splashing for this toenail fix to work. As we continued looking for a nail growth fix, a great part probiotics are very powerful in the battle against the parasite. Toenail fungus cure, early treatment is key. Toenail growth is an ailment and it is constantly prescribed that you visit your family specialist before you start utilizing any toe organism fixes. Your primary care physician will almost certainly let you know whether you have contagious contamination and will likewise have the option to enable you to screen your prosperity. Consider your to-be when you speculate contagious contamination. Early location and treatment extraordinarily improve your odds for finding a fruitful toenail parasite fix. Click a link below the description to get rid of toenail fungus.